Here we have an Emerson, model number CKS 3020, alarm clock radio. It has a low battery for its clock backup. It uses a coin cell, which is a CR2430. Let's change it and make the clock happy again. The coin cell backup battery lives right here under this plate. All you have to do is take the screw out, slide the drawer out, and the battery is right here. We have a brand new Duracell CR2430. Slide it right back in the drawer. Put the screw in. And now it's all done. The low battery icon is no longer flashing. Based on the serial number 10100327-2JS, first four digits are the year and month of manufacture. So this is a 2010 model, October. So this coin cell battery has been in operation for a little over 10 years. So that's not bad for a clock radio backup battery. So since this is a Smartset clock, that battery is not for the timekeeping. It is for your alarm settings if you use it. I do not. So it's just there to keep that little icon from flashing. That's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.